Occidental Petroleum, Warren Buffett's got a ton of it. Right now, no. Short, medium-term prices continue to fall. That might be the bottom. I don't know. I get in late. I get in lagging. For those people who say, but it's lagging, why are you getting in late? Well, I guess you've got a time machine and witchcraft which lets you get in at the bottoms. The people who try to pick market tops and bottoms are absolutely idiotic. How do I know that? Well, there's Nobel Prize-winning literature that I've referred to answer that question. But not only that, when I wrote my first book, Mind of a Trader, where I interviewed the world's leading traders, including global head of foreign exchange trading at Salomon Brothers, they all consistently said the people such as retail clients who try to pick market tops and bottoms are idiotic in trying to do so. Okay. And certainly those who want to get in early, well, there you go. You got in early there. Well done. And a heart attack to boot. Hope you enjoyed that. I don't try and pick the bottoms. I don't get in when it's falling. I get in late. Not just me, Winton Capital and other multi-billion-dollar hedge funds as well, who are all in the same line of business. Getting in late to be a little bit more assured than trying to get in earlier at the bottom. You know who gets in earlier at the bottom? Clients of spread betting firms, i.e. retail private clients, who basically would rather take their entire pension to Vegas than be a bit more professional and learn a tiny bit more about how to do it a little bit better. If you'd like resources, including a free copy of this on how to invest better, and there's lovely reviews on here from Peter Temple of the Financial Times, Philip Hampshire of Bloomberg TV, Bernard Opperty, who runs a multi-billion-dollar hedge fund. You can download a free copy from alpeshpatel.com/links. Have a look at my links in the bio to learn more, and we'll even do a free pension review for you as well if you wish. Thank you.